Whoa, hey, what's up? What's up, guys? Good morning. Today is Wednesday, and I just read a historic piece of news on TV just now. Check this out. This has never happened before. By the way, Snap had a pretty bad earnings report, so they're down. But check out Twitter, what they're officially doing. 280 character tweets. Dang, about time, man. That's one of the things I've always wanted them to do since their beginning, because I just don't think 140 characters is that much. Plus, if you want to write a full thing, you can't put any hashtags on, I believe, because they've run out of space. So that is pretty crazy. Other stocks are kind of a little bit lower today, but Take-Two Interactive reported strong fiscal revenue for the second quarter, and they guided higher for the holiday third quarter, which means shares are up, and they're up $10 a share right now. And we have 5 calls on them. We're not in the money yet, but we have till January 2019 to hit. I forget what my strike price is. I just checked it. You'll see when we log in today. That should probably be our top option on the list today. So the market's going to open still in over an hour, so I'm just going to have some breakfast, do some editing, and then we'll just check when the market opens. What's up, guys? So I actually logged in a little while ago, and we're up a little bit, so check it out. I was having a friend come over today. We were going to do like a check-in, see how she was doing, but she ended up not being able to come over, so we'll probably do something hopefully next week and check up on her, see how she's doing in the market, but she is doing pretty well, so really excited about that. Anyways, I did some trades. I sold one of my OLED calls because I only had the one. And this was the 150 strike that I was already in the money on, and I wanted to get some Tesla, so I sold this one. But it was funny, the current price was showing $41, and it wasn't updating until I sold it. And again, I don't know why it doesn't refresh until I actually sell or buy or do something, and then it refreshes, but I did notice the bid and ask were above the $41 price, so that was good because I knew we were going to make some more money when we sold it. So that was awesome. And then I bought a Tesla call. It was actually my lowest strike. So I was able to get one more Tesla call going into their semi-unveiling, and then I bought the Gap, 3 puts on the Gap, because yesterday they were talking, one of the guys was talking about how retail clothing is just like a dying industry, and no one, like he said, studies have shown that younger people just don't buy that much clothes anymore, they just don't care as much, and I kind of do agree with that, and I just personally have never gone to the Gap, like maybe the last time I did was like 5th grade, and so I just figured it might be another thing to add to my portfolio in terms of puts, because now I have 5 of them, and I got about $6,200 invested in puts, and hopefully that'll provide me some downside protection. So I'm just trying to kind of prepare myself for next year, just in case the market does take a turn. Just trying to prepare for that a little bit. But I do still think Tesla's going to go on fire pretty soon, so I wanted to get some more into Tesla. So I'm going to have some lunch, and then I got a guy coming over to work on the house and like 3 o'clock. So I'm just going to do some editing, and then we'll see how we're doing when the market closes, and then we'll just wrap it up from there. Okay, guys, it's 2:40 p.m. Holy crap, I just logged into the account again, just finished eating lunch, and check this out. BAM! You joking me right now? Holy crap, dude. I was not expecting hit this right now. I kind of thought the market was kind of cooling off for the day, but I think our universal display calls just jumped up or something. Because I only remember this being up last time we looked at it. Oh, and this call finally moved, because that one hadn't moved yesterday, even though its stock was doing well and the bid and ask were higher than the current price. It finally jumped. So that is awesome. We still, no. Yeah, so, oh man. So Nvidia is reporting earnings, I believe, tomorrow after the bell. I don't know if people are expecting it to be really good or really bad, but I got it till 2019, so I really don't care right now. I'm holding on to it. Man, so pumped. Okay, the market closes in 19 minutes, so let's just hope we can stay here. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So it is a little after 10 o'clock. Hopefully the stuff didn't refresh already, but let's just see how we did. Alright, so we closed again at a record high today. I am so excited. Holy crap. Okay, so let's just look. Once again, the trades sold my OLED call, bought a Tesla call, and then bought some Gap puts because I'm not too bullish on the Gap. Okay, so Take-Two was our star of the day by far, 62% gain. And then this call finally updated because I think I showed yesterday how the bid and ask were much higher, but the stock, like the price wasn't updating. Looks like it finally did today, so that was huge. 31% for them. I wish we had more than 2 calls though, because we would have made a lot more money. But anyways, we have Sprint went up 16% today, but not really concerned with that one. Let's scroll down to see our losers. We have not anything that bad. Nothing in the double digits, so really nothing to be too concerned about. Let's look at the dollar gain. Well, I did do some trade. I did do some sales, so actually that number might not be perfectly accurate. I forgot about that. So yeah, I believe we finished at 183 yesterday, so we're like at, that's about like 8 grand or something. Hopefully, yeah, I think so. Yeah. Well, anyways, let's look at the watch list because I'm going to talk about. Of course, as every day, there's a ton to talk about, but I'll probably focus just on these 2 today, and then I'll mention a couple things about Apple, Netflix, and stuff. But yeah, Take-Two and Activision I guess they both had their earnings report recently. Take-Two had really strong sales of Grand Theft Auto, and Activision had really strong sales of Call of Duty, and they just kind of upped their guidance, and just people have been raising price targets. It's just been crazy. One firm raised Take-Two's price target to $144 a share, which would be insane because we have our calls only 135. So if we could get in the money with this, I mean, we're already doing well with this one, but it could go up even more, and that would be amazing. So yeah, awesome. Groupon is doing pretty well lately. Like this is the highest I've seen them in a while. So I'm crossing my fingers that Groupon keeps pushing those ads out because that's what's going to get them back in it. All right, so we got Adobe had a good day. EA Sports, Nintendo, all the video game stocks just killed it today. Just really excited. Oh, Red Hat. I forgot to get into Red Hat. Dang it. Totally forgot about them. They're like a cloud company that has been doing very well. Shoot. I gotta keep an eye on that one. Damn. I hate when I do that, but there's just so many things I want to get. Okay. So let's hear the 3rd page watch list, and then Tesla. A little bit of a rough day today, but I'm really excited about Tesla. And yeah, Snapchat is just struggling. And Stamps.com, they're going to come back. They're struggling right now. So is AMD, but they're going to come back. So let's just talk about some news and wrap this video up. All right, so Activision Blizzard, Call of Duty, World War II sold double the amount of units as their last Call of Duty game in its opening weekend or its opening week or whatever. And they actually made more money than Thor Ragnarok movie and I hope I pronounced that right. I'm not really huge into comic books, but I do love the movies. But Thor and Wonder Woman combined did not match the sales of Call of Duty World War II. So I mean, they made a ton of money. And with Take-Two, the Grand Theft Auto, the CEO was like, he was saying he didn't think it was going to be that successful. And I'll post a couple links in the description. You can read about it. Again, I really hope I can get this video out to you not too late. I'm really, really sorry about the delay. So that was that Take-Two. I mean, they're just doing really, really well. Nothing else to say about that. With Netflix, I guess Netflix and Apple were in a bidding war for a new series starring Jennifer Aniston and Reese Witherspoon. And Apple, with the behemoth amount of cash, I don't know if I used that right, but they're a behemoth with the amount of cash they have. They outbid Netflix and got the series on Apple. So it will be playing on Apple exclusively. They're really trying to get pushed towards new content. And if they can do that, it's hard to say that Apple still has growth potential, but they do. So it's just crazy. So yeah, so there was that. And then again, there's the AT&T trying to buy Time Warner. I saw that today, and I'll have to look more into that. But lots of huge mergers going on. It's just crazy. It's really not the best thing for consumers, I think, because they have more control over, they have more of like a monopoly on prices. But if you're a shareholder and you're investing in them, you can do pretty well. So you know, I guess it's either side the way you look at it. So yeah, I'm gonna end it with that because I'm really exhausted and I need to get a lot of editing done tomorrow. So if you like that video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you guys are doing really well in the market. I hope you guys are in the market and, you know, profiting like crazy. I really hope that. Please comment below how you guys are doing so far, and love to talk to you guys. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.